Hello guys, in this video I'll show you Codex. OpenAI ChatGPT Codex is providing you 100,000 of credits for school going, university going and college going students. So if you go to this website ChatGPT, simply write Codex for students on simply Google. The website will come right here. If you directly type this Codex for students, OpenAI has released this offer, Codex for students. So go to ChatGPT and they are giving you $100 free credit once you verify that you are a student, college going student, university going student. Then you can get this $100 of free credits in the Codex app for totally free. And now to claim this offer, you first of all need to have an account on ChatGPT, OpenAI. So simply log in with your Google account and then go to this offer and click the claim now button. So as you go to the website, you just need to Codex for university students. So right here you click the claim now button. As soon as you click the claim now button, it will verify you, and as you can see it is automatically detecting me. So just select your account. After that it will then start the verification path right here, so whether you are a student or not. So now it is opening the student verification. It will do this through Share ID. So $100 credit will be automatically activated in Codex for university students. So verify that you are a student at a degree granted school in US or Canada. Once verified, credits will be automatically added to your ChatGPT account for use in Codex. So right here you select your country, United States or Canada, then select your school. As soon as you type this, all the colleges, universities, schools will come. Simply select and then simply enter your name, first name, last name, and then select your date of birth. This is very simple guys, it will take 2 minutes to do this. Simply enter your email. After that, click verify my student status. So after you click this, it will do the student verification automatically on their own end. So if you click on this, how does verifying work? It exactly tells us to be eligible for this offer, you must currently be enrolled in a degree or certificate granting accredited school of education. So basically they use this technology Share ID, a trusted partner to verify that you are a current student. Share ID only collects information that assists in verifying your eligibility. So basically there is a program called as Share ID which lets you verify that you are a student or not. So this is their website. So it's a trusted platform used by many websites to verify whether you are a student or not. So they are using this technology, and after you click this, you click on this button verify my student status. So after you do this guys, they will send out a personalized email address to the email that you submitted to continue the verification process. So now check your email address, they will send you this verification link. So once you are verified, you will get $100 of free credits inside your Codex account. So now you will get this email address from OpenAI, get verified. So now you click the button finish verifying. So this is the actual button. So let you across the finish line. So click the following link to finish verifying your student status. So click on this link. And now the verification, actual verification will start. We couldn't continue your verification. We are unable to verify you at this time. Then click on try again. So this is the overall process guys. They have released this Codex $100 credits for university, school, college going students. Definitely check this out. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.